Dear participants, I hope you can hear me. I welcome you back to this last session of our faculty development program, called as novel materials for next gen applications. My name is Panish here, KR Panish. I'm the coordinator. I'll be very soon joined by the co-coordinator, Mr. Pradeep Kumar KV, and also by the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Raji Jaj. So we will be starting our program very soon. As I have already informed you earlier, this is the last session wherein we'll start with feedback from participants. Any kind of feedback, good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. All kinds of feedback, please. After which we will just thank all the people who are there, and then also we will at the end of this of our talk and valedictory, we will give you the test. All right, so we have around 41 people. I have to inform you that when we give the test, that will be the end of it. That means no more tests are given, nothing is given. So please, when the test is given, we have tried our best to, the challenge in front of us is not about making the questions. The challenge for us is to give the questions within the topic mentioned, and as much as possible trying to give the questions within the content delivered by the speaker. That even most of the content delivered by the speaker was is deep into their research areas, and it's not easy to either give questions, remember them, or answer them. Okay, so therefore we have tried to see what best we can do. From it's mandatory to give the questions, it's mandatory for you to answer the question, and it's mandatory for you to get 60% to be eligible to get your certificates. So I mean, when you want to give your feedback, at the same time, if you have any questions to ask us, any suggestions, anything at all, I I welcome Dr. Raji George, who is also with us today. And of course, both of us will be listening to the feedback. And please understand, we invite feedback, we welcome feedback, because it's only good feedback which can make us improve in our in whatever we do. Okay, please do not hesitate, but give us frank and something, a feedback which you think is required, in the sense that any constructive feedback would be most welcome. The feedback could come from the topics, the topics selected, or the subjects selected, the speakers, or the duration, the communication, the IT involved, and moderation, or absolutely anything for that matter. It can cover any aspect of the whole FDP. Okay, so maybe we can start off. Anybody wants to come up and speak, you can do so. The floor is open, or rather the screen is open for you. Please do come out and please express yourself.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, Mr. Rakesh, go ahead, please.
Yeah, this is Ishchan Rakesh Roshan here. So, first of all, I want to congratulate the coordinators for the successful conduction of this FDP. I personally liked, the way they have chosen the topics. Like they were, even though it's ranged over different domains, but it's all well put. For example, the functional graded materials and additive manufacturing. So I enjoyed these sessions thoroughly. And coming to the execution point, I would especially congratulate them, because it's a pinpoint execution. So there was no delay, in any of the sessions. Every day we had 3 sessions, roughly around 5 days. So all the sessions were on time, and there was no delay. And the coordinators, especially, they, shared us the links, through email as well as WhatsApp, so that we are aware and on time. So it's well executed, and especially the topics that they have chosen are very informative. And personally, I've benefited a lot from this FDP. So I thank the organizers and MSRIT for such a wonderful FDP. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rakesh. Any speaker would also can tell us how to improve, what else we could do better also. And uh, I mean, the point that he touched was that we were good in our communication and IT. Uh, Actually, it was a little surprising for us that a couple of speakers, or not couple, in fact, more than a couple of speakers had problems from their end, although they were coming from prestigious universities. They had certain problems with their IT. They were not able to log in, bandwidth not enough, having a problem with their audio, video, etc., which we did not expect. Had everything been smooth from the speaker's point of view, it would have been even better. But of course, this is just an evolving field, this online FDPs. I'm sure in the days to come, years to come, it would only improve. Okay, next speaker, please. Dr. Ishrat, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please. Go ahead, please.
It's good that we had different from different topics. Like for non-materials, we had Dr. Shukla, BDU Gujarat, and memory from IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur, and we had a speaker from IIT Kanpur and also IC Bangalore. The most interesting was stress management and meditation by Shri. So it's an interesting session. So we had though it's novel materials, I think materials, super additive manufacturing, solar materials and solar methods. So we are thankful to the coordinator for which you have mentioned your reactions of very to you organizing this study.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Ishrat. The audio was not very clear, but we got a hang of what you were trying to tell us. Yes, we had the speakers from all over the country, just like we had participants from all over the country. It feels very nice to be, even we don't meet each other, at least we've been meeting online now, and to connect to people from far corners of the country is always a nice feeling. Thank you. And we have the Dr. Ishrat. Not very clear. Your audio is not very clear.
I'll just put it.
Sure. If others are able to hear you, Dr. Ishrat, we are not able to hear you clearly.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Not really yet.
Okay. I'll
Please
just put it in the chat.
Yeah. Maybe see if you can improve your audio and then come back to us, or even chat on the chat so you can put out your thoughts. Idea is to listen to you, whether it is orally or through the written route. Yes. Anyone else would like to come up and speak? Dr. Ziauddin, Dr. Jivananda, all very...
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
all of you
here.
very active, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Actually, I should thank personally to you, sir, Professor Panish and Pradeep Kumar. Basically, you are the one who are interacting with us and send the interaction ID and other things. And it was well organized. I think I have seen many such FDPs. This is the best one I can see in terms of the resource persons you have selected is all from IAC, IITs, and some few national laboratories. So they are given very good insight into their field and the facilities available and what the researcher can collaborate with them. So all those things were very good. And here and there few problems were there due to internet problem, especially the morning session, especially when they join at 9 o'clock. Normally at that point of time, they will be there at home. So normally at home, internet problems will be there. If they are at the institute, they can rectify all those things. Otherwise, it was well organized. Normally in the offline mode, what we see, many of the participants, they come in first day and last day, as many of us has experienced. But here we could see that more than 90 participants used to be there in every session. So all were wonderful. So really it was a good experience for the researchers and as well as the teachers like me. Even though I am from chemistry department, I could able to learn many of the techniques are there in materials, mechanical division, So I should personally thank you and Pradeep, and also the Department of Mechanical Engineering, MSRIT, and other persons in this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jivananda. Thank you, sir, for you've been very, very active and asking questions, being there. Every single session you have asked questions. That shows your involvement. That shows your, let's say, your love and passion for the subjects. And we are very happy to have such participants with us, sir. Thank you. All
Thank
the
you, sir.
effort that we do is only worth it if we can get, participants like you. Thank you, Mr. Jivan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else would like to come up and speak? We had many good people who used to interact with all the speakers very regularly. If you want to come up and say a few words.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Jai Kishore. Go ahead.
Sir, this is Jai Kishore, sir, research scholar from VTU, sir, Vishweshwara Technological University, Belgavi, sir.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, I am doing my research in laser welding on superalloy, sir. Really, so by title of your FDP novel materials, whatever we are expected, all the things are given by the resource person, sir. So what we are expecting from the novel materials means, so your research persons are covered almost all, sir, like nano composites, superalloys, high entropy alloys, shape memory alloys, all the matter is completely covered, sir. And especially come to my research area, it is the superalloys, sir. On superalloys I performed the laser welding. So from my research also, this FDP is a lot it helpful for my research, sir. It will take my research into next level, sir. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity. And the team who are conducted this FDP. So from your side, all the things are very good, sir. So because regularly attendance in both the chat section and also in WhatsApp, you are already provided. And also yesterday evening also you send the complete PPT, sir. So what the resource persons are given, it will helps a lot, like researcher like me, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Jai Kishore. It makes us, very happy to listen to all this. Thank you, sir. Anybody else would like to come up? Anybody else would like to come up, please? Please feel free to give us any kind of feedback. We will take it. Any internal participants?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please. Rakesh,
My name is Suhas.
Suhas, go ahead, please. Suhas.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to all the organizers of this wonderful FDP. When I heard the name MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, there is a credibility for that institute. So that that has been lived up by this wonderful organization. I have been a part of organizing a few FDPs. I know how difficult it is to organize all the speakers and all the participants, right? So during the online sessions, all the sessions were coordinated by personally you and Pradeep sir. Both of you have coordinated in association with all the faculties of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and there was a clear coordination between the technologies used with Zoom, WhatsApp and Gmail. So that was a beautiful synergy. You had this during this presentation. So I have seen few FDPs where they only give in Zoom or the platform, whereas the ones in the other platforms like Zoom, WhatsApp or maybe Gmail, you won't get it. And most of the cases, maybe you won't get the PDFs also presentation. So here it was different. That's why I told the name MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology has lived up to its credibility. I mean, holding this Atal FDP for the last 5 days. What I would give a small suggestion to you is, you have sent a PDF of all the presentations. If possible, if you can send the recorded videos of this, if all the sessions, maybe I heard you saying that during the first day that due to the test you are not able to upload as a on that particular day. So after the sessions are over, maybe you can upload and share the link to the same WhatsApp group so that they will have a look at the recorded videos, so which might be helpful further. So I would thank you from the from the bottom of my heart for providing such an opportunity to learn new materials in different applications, and I hope it will continue in the coming days, because I saw Atal FDP, one more FDP with the same title in the same institute in the probably in the next month or so. So I would suggest, I would express my heartfelt gratitude to you and all the organizers of this particular FDP. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Suhas, for your feedback. I will reply to many of your points you said, but on one point, I would like to say right now is that all the sessions have been recorded and it will all be uploaded into the YouTube. It will all be available in YouTube, and the YouTube connections will also be sent to you later. Whether there is a little bit of a confusion right now, we have to find out whether we have to upload it to YouTube or the Atal AICTE people will upload it. That particular question is there, but otherwise all what we have done so far, everything will be available on YouTube. Just a matter of time, you will all get it back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So anybody else would like to speak? Yeah, Tankas.
Tanikasalam, sir. Tanikasalam from
Tanikasalam, please go ahead, sir. Please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dr. A. Tanikasalam. I'm at University, Chennai.
Yes, please.
When I search Adal website, there is so many FTP requisition for registration. So I found your name, the Ramalinga MS Ramaya, no?
Yes,
so
yes.
It's very old. So based on your name, I registered. So you proved through your organized, well-organized this Adal FTP. This institute started, I think, 1962. In the Wikipedia I found. So well structured, well planned, and per day 3 sessions. I attended many FTP. They are up to 7 o'clock. Sometimes it goes. But here you well planned, and also your single person handled all the coordinated. And the Pradeep Kumar also, he sent frequently message of WhatsApp. So it shows your experience in institute. And also yesterday the stress management very useful. Very well. I am practicing now also. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your steps for organizing.
Thank you, sir. All these nice feedback will make us do more probably in future. Anybody would like to also tell us what is it that we could have done better, or let's say what topic wise or speaker wise, is there anything else that we should have done better? Anything on that side also would help. Ambigai Rajashekaran, I think you would like to speak. Yes, please.
Yes. I am Ambigai from SRM University. Your workshop was, FDP was very well planned, and all the speakers are very eminent, and they really did what is the need of the hour, and all the lectures was wonderful. And with respect to your organization and your arrangement of this FDPs was excellent. You have well organized, as Tanikasalam was telling. You have there is without any delay in the communication, you have matched all the details. And yesterday also I had mailed with respect to, and Pradeep Kumar, he has answered to the queries, whatever we are sending it, very prompt it was. And I found only with this net issue or something, otherwise it was wonderful. And I don't think so, if this pandemic wouldn't have happened, we wouldn't have got in touch with such a eminent speakers. This pandemic, one way it is disastrous, but other way it was helpful for us to get some knowledge from them. Thank you for arranging such an excellent workshop. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ambigai. Yes, I think in certain ways some crises bring bad things, and it also gives way to good things. I think that is probably what's happening now. So, is there anyone else who would like to speak?
Sir, this is Rakesh Roshan again.
Okay, please
Just
go ahead.
wanted to add one point since you you wanted some constructive, feedback.
Yes.
One point I thought I should mention,
Yes.
yesterday in one of the sessions, I guess the additive manufacturing session. So the speaker was there, but I think by mistake,
Yes,
even though it is
yes, yes, yes.
unintentional, yeah.
So actually
So
what happened was when I called him about 5 minutes ago before that, he said, I'm eating, I'll come back to you.
Yeah.
So usually most of the speakers, when they join, as soon
Yeah.
as they join, they will, their name will throw on the top because
Yeah,
they would have unmuted. He had muted
Yeah.
himself. So he was down there in the list. I did not see, and I made a comment which was not.
Well, actually, yeah, he took it very sportive, but generally,
Lesson
people of
learned.
that caliber, they generally don't take it that sportive, but he was
Lesson
very,
learned.
was very
Yeah,
sportive, and he took it very positively. So only I felt, that's the only little drawback. Maybe there could be some mechanism where you mentioned, like as you mentioned, before they join, probably they could tell the organizers, or there could be some rapport, so that such things won't happen.
Yes.
It's just it's unintentional completely, but I
Yes.
just felt I should mention it. Thank you.
Yes, you are absolutely right. That should be only the black spot from, I think, my side, or I should say. All right. So, yes, point taken, lesson learned. Anyone else? Jalpa Zalawada. Would you want to speak, Jalpa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible? Yeah.
Go ahead. Yes, very much. You are loud and clear.
Yes, sir. I'm Jalpa from Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat. Actually, all the points have been covered by the participant. 2 points which I need to which I feel that I should narrate here is, one is the topic was very well justified. Novel material means every topic have been covered in all the sessions. So that is one thing which was very good, and the speakers also was from Pan India. We have all the speakers, so that was one thing. And second, which I like the most was the commitment of organizers and the speaker, because
be a little louder, please. Be a little louder, or come closer to the mic.
Yes. Second thing is the commitment of the organizer and speaker, because yesterday only in the morning the Vice Chancellor had some issues. So then also the organizer have not given up, and the speaker also have not given up, and we could able to reconnect. So that was the commitment which I could feel, and I said I feel that I should share with all the participants. So it was a very nice FDP. That is what I wanted to mention, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jalpa. Maybe we can have one more speaker if we can have more number also. Anybody would like to say anything else? All right. So in case you want to say something, you can even put your palm there and I can see that, and you can be allowed to speak. But maybe I think we can have a very short valedictory. Valedictory means a couple of speeches. That's all, nothing else. So I'll present for 5 minutes. So I would like to give a very, very short report on, I don't have a report on Dhananjay. Yes,
Sorry,
Dhananjay.
sir.
Maybe you can speak and then I'll speak.
Actually, I prepared the talk, that's why I not.
Say that again.
Yeah, and actually I wrote something, that's why not. I took more time to talk with you.
Please, sir. Please
Yeah.
go ahead. Please speak.
So actually my talk is, or my feedback is discussed by 3 things about FDP, or towards organizer and towards participant.
Yes, sir.
So about FDP, I can divide 2 things. Better to do something to, as you told, that to enhance the FDP planning, FDP timing, everything. And one point that I will only want to mention to what not to do. So first point, what better to do that when you send a feedback, as you send a feedback line, always every day you are taking attendance, but feedback should be one set. It's not only one line. Point 11 was only feedback. So it should be some qualitative way or quantitative way. That should be one thing should be considered. Second thing, the exam at end that an exam of every day is different. So when you make an exam at the end of the every day, then people will be more energetic, people will be more attentive, because this exam mark is defined the certificate from the authors. So that's why people should be attentive when exam will be due every day. So when exam will be due every day, then people will be attentive for that day. But when exam will be at the end of the day, people can speak some talk also. So like this, it is a prospect for participant also. And second thing that everyone saying that, and it is good that to call IIT professor and IIC or NIT people. So find some university people also, like Central University, State University, who was active. They should be come to the platform. They should to also know the people what they're doing. Because always we are making our India only IIT and NIT. Why not university? 804 university is there. Why not give importance to any of them? But I thank that you already choose one people at first session. I know him when Gyan course did in IIT Gandhinagar has stopped. Then like that, minimum 2 to 3. I know that funding is coming IIT, IAC, they are doing good work. Everyone should know that. But funding is coming to college also. Even they are doing one work, they should also come to teach. And better to not do things. Last things I can say that about the sending the PDF and PPT. So when you're sending the PDF and PPT, 200 people registered, the PDF and PPT is going to every people, even they attend, they are not attend. So without attempting, without presenting all the things, they're getting the things. I'm not blaming anyone, just to make the scrutinize and to make the FTP better and best. This is the one thing I am saying not to do. Don't send everything, or I said, don't send things to every people who's attending and not attending. So this is the thing I think we should consider.
Okay, thank you very much, Dhananjaya. I'm especially very happy for you because I felt that you were asking extremely good questions. That shows two things. One, your involvement in the talks and the understanding that you were able to get. And usually, although this is called novel materials for next gen application, there are so many wide array of materials. Most of us who will try to associate ourselves with one or two arrays, one or two clusters, one or two classes of materials, but you were involved in every single type of material that was spoken, and that I found was stupendous from your side. From on the points that you have said, taking tests every day, yes, it could be done. It's just that this is the first FDP on the Atal initiative. So we are just following whatever guidelines that have been given by AICTE on this matter, and maybe collective feedback will make it improve. I'm sure on that. Second point is about getting only speakers from IITs all around. I agree. It has become a benchmark, or it's a something which people look up to. Yes, we should identify more and more speakers from other non-IIT associations. We only have a couple of them. We have MG University. We had somebody from Gandhinagar and somebody from Hyderabad. We did have a few non-IIT people also, but still, I think this initiative of Atal, FDPs and online speaking, I'm sure will throw up more and more people in the days to come. More and more people, they will get introduced. The moment they do well, people will come to take notice, and they, I think, will do well also. The last point that you said about sending the material to everyone. Yes, on paper, 200 people have registered, out of which only 100 used to come, 100 did not come. I just feel bad for all those people who would have registered. It's a 200 first come first serve basis. So 200 people registered, out of them 100 did not attend. So that 100, if they had not registered, it would have given it would have given opportunity to somebody else deserving. So those people who did not come, do not know what to do. So we are unable to help on that. Yes, we have sent material to everybody because on paper they are still registrants. All the points are open for discussion and pondering. Maybe in the years to come, maybe things will improve. And I'm very happy, Dhananjaya, at least you spoke. And also for your participation, full participation throughout the FDP. Thank you very much. A couple of points. Very first thing, our topic that we have chosen, novel materials for next gen application, and almost all the classes of materials, the topics and the speakers and all the background work, I completely owe it to my co-coordinator, Mr. Pradeep Kumar. I have been front-ending only and been very active for the last 1 week in everything what to do, but all the background work, has been done by Mr. Pradeep Kumar KV. There's a good contrast between us. He's very fast and I'm very slow. He's very advanced. I'm a little backward in the sense from IT point of view. Okay. And so, but somewhere we met and somewhere, things came into a middle level and we were able to this thing. I really would like to thank him personally on my behalf. But of course, our head of the department will speak now for a couple of minutes, and then I will speak for a couple of minutes, and then we go for the test. So, Dr. Ajit Jaj, Professor and Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, MS Rameswar Technology. Sir.
Good afternoon, all the participants. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure to be associated with probably an online FDP. This is probably one of its kind which we are organizing. And to be very honest, I think every year we have minimum 3 to 4 FDPs in our department. So we are used to doing it offline, but online it's a very tricky business to have timing and stick to the timing. It's really hard. I think I'll be failing in my duties if I don't probably congratulate 2 people here. One is Dr. Panish, who was a coordinator, who has done, as I said, the front-ending work. I think the more so in this is Mr. Pradeep Kumar, who has been very active in conducting this FDP, who have done a wonderful job. It's my duty and privilege to congratulate both of them. They have done wonderful work. I'm extremely happy for their effort. I really hope that this FDP has thrown some light into novel materials. I'm interested because I work on nanotechnology, on nanomaterials. I'm doing some work on batteries and supercapacitors. We have a couple of patents on that. So I think it's an order of the day now. So I hope this has added value to your research knowledge, and maybe you could take this up further and result into some research work or resulting in some patents or some papers. So I congratulate once again. I also been very happy to have so many participants here. I was told that some 100 of them been very active here. It's a pleasure to be associated with you. I think my only request to you, when we do an offline FDP, please come to Ramaiah. Please come to Ramaiah Mechanical Department. It will be a pleasure for us to be along with you, and we would like to meet you and maybe take it up further. Okay, thank you so much for this participation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you. See, please, we have to understand that we are in MS Rameswar Technology, and we get enough opportunities and encouragement in this college to do all this work. I really, as our HOD said, we invite any of you to come to our college and visit us. And although it's a self-financing college, our management has pulled no stops in allowing us to pursue all our research interests. Not only research, any other kind of activity that could be helpful for the students or for the college or for any one of us, they allow us to do it. And we are really happy to be working in this institute. So one point that Dhananjay said, and I did not, is that, what was that? So is that we giving the feedback, yes, we have understood all the points that has been done, and we have to thank here not only the coordinators, but also all the participants and our other members who were there, who were part of it. I think Pradeep will thank all of them. That is all the other co-coordinators who have been part of this novel material. So from my side, I'd like to sign off. I'd like to thank everybody for having registered and for being there and for participating and making this FDP a success. So one or two things I would like to say. I'll hand over to Mr. Pradeep Kumar. So it's that one of the biggest challenges for us was to make the question paper. So 40 questions, I do not know. I mean, we need time to make questions, because if it is MCQ, we need more time because we need to think of all non-probable answers also, right? So we need time, and we wanted to have to include something which happened this afternoon. So, and preferably from the content provided by the speaker. And most of this content is a little deep into the topic. It's not easy to pick out something and give like that. So two things. One is we have 40 questions and all of them are MCQ. All of them we feel have unique answers. Many of the questions are straight from the pages, content pages of the speakers. Some of them are from the topic, but not from the pages, but something that they may have said, something they may have referred to in the course of their speech. They may have referred to certain things that also we have included. And no doubt to say, we have sourced a few questions ourselves outside also. So therefore, I wish that you just take your best foot forward and try to take the right one. So maybe by Monday you will be able to get the results of everything and etc. Of course, you will know the result as soon as you do it, the result. But if anybody wants to get the answers, wants to contest any question or any answer, yes, you have every right. If you want to contest your marks, if you want to contest any answers, you have every right to. Answers, we will send it to you as and when. I mean, if anybody wants, on a personal note, we will not send answers to everybody whomsoever asks. Okay, if somebody wants it, you'll have to put it onto the group through this thing. We will come back, not today, maybe tomorrow we'll give the answers. All right. So on that note, I hand over, finally, I mean, the person who has been actually the coordinator of this, and I am just running the show for him. That's all. Otherwise, I congratulate him, and he has been the hero of the day. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon, participants. I thank you all for joining this FDP, registering from this FDP, and attending all the sessions as per your attendance. And today, after this validity, you would be having a test basically of 40 questions, and the time duration for it would be 40 minutes. And soon after the test is over, the responses would be closed. And when you take the test, and after submitting the test, you can see a message which shows a view score button. If you click on it, you can actually view your score, how much you have scored out of 40. Okay. And as sir said, if you want to contest about the answers, whether they are correct or wrong, you can definitely contact me over WhatsApp, or you can call me. And coming to the vote of thanks part, again at the end of this particular program, that is FDP. So I thank AICT Atal, AICT Training and Learning Academy, for sponsoring this 5 days online FDP on novel materials for next generation applications. That is from 12th to 16th July 2021, ending today. I would personally thank our AICT chairman, Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe sir, and Dr. R.K. Soni sir, who is the director of Atal Academy. And on a personal note, I want to thank our coordinator, Dr. K.R. Khani sir, as well as our HOD, who had been the backbone of this particular FDP, supporting us in each and every way possible in organizing and conducting this particular FDP. And next, I would like to thank our colleagues who helped us during these 5 days in many aspects, and also the staff of Department of Mechanical Engineering. And at the end, last but not the least, the participants who joined this particular FDP and continuously joined each session, and they participated in it. And I wish you good luck in future. And before that, the main reason of organizing this FDP on materials, on novel materials, is that I'm working on superalloys. My research work is on superalloys. So that is how I came. I thought of making an FDP based on novel materials, which includes all classes of materials into one cluster. And at the end, I thank you one and all. And I think would be starting the session of test or assessment, which is of 40 marks, 40 minutes. And as soon as the 40 minutes gets over, the link would be automatically closed. So I request all the participants to be ready with your devices to answer the test. Thank you. The test link would be posted in the chat box by the coordinator. You can click on it and start answering the questions.